Welcome to MMG. Today, we're showcasing an impressive stucco and paint makeover on this 5-story building. As we began our project, we noticed multiple cracks throughout the structure. Initially, ownership was hesitant to address these issues, opting to paint over them instead. However, after applying the paint, it became clear that the cracks could not be ignored. So we got right to work and began removing all of the cracked areas. Here in the pool area was the most damage. Our skilled team utilized a V-blade to meticulously chase out and open up all the cracks. This step is crucial for ensuring a solid repair. Next, we applied a specialized joint sealant to effectively seal the CMU blocks, preventing any further damage and ensuring a long-lasting solution. With the cracks treated and sealed, we reapplied the stucco base coat. Once that cured, we were ready to spray-apply the final top coat, giving the building a fresh, uniform appearance. After completing the stucco application, we turned our attention to painting the repair areas. This final touch brought everything together, enhancing the curb appeal of the entire building. And there you have it. A stunning transformation that not only improved the aesthetics, but also addressed the structural integrity of the building. Trust MMG for your next stucco and paint makeover. We are your property services resource for paint, drywall, stucco, flooring, home renovation, and repairs.